Rosh Bash, everybody. Choni. I know. Okay, I forgot because you guys been telling me that Choni Bashi is like for one person, but I need to learn like more than one, and it's hard because you know me. Anyways, we're doing some Kurdish, so I hope you're ready. If you're not ready, get yourself ready. Look at the screen. These are the latest reactions, so you know the drill. I'm gonna react to Hani. Okay, Hani, just Hani because I don't know how to say her name. You guys request this. I hope it's a bop and not a flop. We'll shall see. And also I hope this is Kurdish because I don't know. Okay, let's go. Oh. Okay. It's giving me like something. Excuse me, like you're not gonna tell me why you never tell me about this lady. She has a presence. She's very like right now she's in your face. Oh wow, yes. Oh yes, I stand. Oh wow, yes. It's very intriguing, very seductive. She's like, how much? No, you know, she's like, yes. She's like, wow. I'm excited. Yeah, oh girl, she does like me because I be going like this. And she, yes. She sings beautiful. So speaking of how beautiful she is, she sings amazing. Oh wow, I stand for this lady. Hani. Yes, okay. Okay, yes. She's beautiful and sings amazing. Oh my gosh, I love her. I love her. Wow. I'm mesmerized how pretty this woman is. Wow, she's like an exotic woman. Like, it's like, she's exotic. I just love, she knows how to work the camera because she's like, yes, I'm telling you, yes. And this video is not like OMG, it's just her and she knows how to work the camera. Oh wow, she's like animation, yeah. Wow, she's beautiful. And the man also is giving her power. I don't know what she's saying, but you know me, if I like it, I like it. And I don't speak the language, but it doesn't matter because I like it. Girl, that man looks like Jesus, okay? Like from the movies, yes. Wow, it's very powerful. I don't know the message of the song, but I feel the energy. You know, red means something. It's very seductive. Oh, yes. Yes. Do you see how she did that? She was like, oh, wow. Oh, wow. This woman is everything. Like, literally everything. Oh, she's a queen. I have to tell you right now. I stand for the people that knows how to, and this man too, like, I wish I know what she's saying, but I stand. Yes. I'm so mad that she doesn't really have a lot of like her views are not, I get more views than her, and I don't understand why, even though this song is so amazing. You know what I'm saying? Amazing. I stand hard. I stand. Let me tell you something. If you don't know this lady, you should go and check her out. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter if you speak the language or not. It's about the feeling. I go by the feeling, and music make me feel some type of way. I don't speak languages. I only speak English, Spanish, and Portuguese. And I don't speak Kurdish, Turkish, Malaysian, Indonesian, Korean. I don't speak those languages. But I like them because I go by the feeling. You know, the feeling is what gets me. And this woman, queen, yes, I stand hard. So thumbs up this video. If you want me to review her again, let me know. More videos on the screen. I'm gonna bring more videos, so stay tuned. I took a little moment, but more videos are coming. Okay, bye.